My people, how that day? Oh my God, this is what is called olobeluloko. Just is to say, shokoyokoto. My people, how prepared are you now? Are you ready to journey with me to making this marvelous and simple? When I talk, say simple. This is a very simple because there's no complication. Very easy to make, and just put everything together. And guess what? You are guest to go. Before we go into the details, welcome back to our channel. The returning subscriber, we want to say a very big thank you to you for coming back. God bless you. We love you. And if you are joining us for the first time, we urge you to please click on the red subscribe button and also the notification bell beside it to get notified. Okay, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Here today, I want to go into making my mother's recipe of making a Riro. Wow, this is going to be delicious. So here we have crayfish. Actually, this is not big enough, but at least you can still see it. And this is a fumo. This is my eja abo. You're gonna try it using abo fish inside your EFORIRO. This is Titus. You know how Titus tastes when you use it, especially for your EFORIRO. And this is my pepper. I have small pepper here, and this is my onions, and this is salt to taste. This is grounded crayfish. This is Iru. Your EFORIRO will not be complete without Iru inside your EFORIRO. Oh my God, this is your palm oil, and this is our seasoning cube. Let's get started as my mother gets into the kitchen to prepare this delicious meal for us. Thank you. Stay tuned. And this is the efo that we'll be making use for today. This is called shokoyokoto olobeluloko. A sprinkle salt. We now pour hot water. Yeah. Yeah. So now we want to be blending our pepper. We're adding water to the blender. So here is it. That's crayfish. Okay. That is your washed iru. Good fish. Small crayfish. Put oil, palm oil. use Maggi seasoning cube. So guys, we're ready. Wow. Oh my, can you smell that? Oh my god. Ooh la la. Our vegetable is ready. So we're gonna turn off the heat.